Hi children, this is Swarnadeepa. Today in this video we are going to learn the next concept in measurement, that is area of the circle. Okay, so here we are going to learn the formula for finding out area of the circle and we are going to do some example problems related to area of the circle.
Now we are going to derive the formula for finding out area of the circle. So let us find a way to calculate the area of a circle in terms of known area, that is the area of a rectangle. Okay, so we are going to find out the area of the circle using the known area. Known area means already we know the formula for area of a rectangle. So using that we are going to find the area of the circle. So first step is draw a circle on a sheet of paper. First we have to draw a circle on a paper like the one shown in the figure. Fold it once along its diameter to obtain two semicircles. Okay, if we are folding a circle along the diameter means we will be getting two part of a circle, that is semicircle. Okay, shade one half of the circle using any color. Here they have shaded using blue color. You can use any color. So again fold the semicircle to get four sectors. If you are folding the semicircle again into two fold means we will be getting four sectors. So likewise we have to fold it and we have to rearrange and made into a shape as shown in the figure. After folding it we can cut this into four sectors and you can arrange it like this. Repeat this process of folding to 8 fold. Okay, already we folded for so many times and again we have to fold it and you will be getting 8 parts here. After getting the 8 parts we have to cut the parts separately and arrange it like this figure 2.17. Press and unfold the circle. It is then divided into 16 equal sectors and then into 32 equal sectors. Okay, likewise we have to fold it again and again and we have to fold it up to 32 equal sectors. As the number of sectors increases, the assembled shape begins to look more or less like a rectangle as shown in the figure. Okay, if you fold this part into 16 equal sectors first and then to 32 sectors, equal sectors. So after folding this, if you are cutting along with the diagonal and if you are placing or arranging it like this means you will be getting a shape like a rectangle. Okay, we all know what is a rectangle. Rectangle is a closed figure with four sides. Okay, opposite sides are equal. Okay, so now the top and bottom of the rectangle is more or less equivalent to the circumference of the circle. Am I correct? So, see the top and bottom line, it is more or less equal to the circumference, nothing but the circumference. Okay, in the outer part தான் நம்ம இப்படி fold பண்ணிருக்கோம். So, now, hence the top of the rectangle is half of the circumference. சரியா? See, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்னா இங்கே fold பண்ணதை cut பண்ணி arrange பண்ணிருக்கோம். So, see the down part. So, இந்த part. So let me explain you. So here this part is here. Okay, and then this upper part is here. Okay, both join together to form the circumference of the circle, right? So now see the explanation. The top and bottom of the rectangle is more or less equivalent to the circumference of the circle. Now I explained you, right? So bottom part வந்து one side and upper part is one side. Okay. So one side of the rectangle is the half of the circumference. Okay. So they have written pi r. Okay. 2 pi r is the formula for finding out circumference of the circle. அதில் வந்து that 1 pi r is one side, okay, bottom side of the rectangle and upper side is 1 pi r. The height of the rectangle is nearly equivalent to the radius of the circle. Okay, here listen carefully children, this is very very important. So listen, this is pi r, right? So next this is pi r. So what is this lines? This lines These lines are the lines drawn from the center to the side of a circle. So that is R. Okay, now we got all the sides. Okay, the side, left side is R, right side is R, upper side is pi R and down is pi R. So this looks like a rectangle. Am I correct? So in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That property also satisfies here. So now the height of the rectangle is nearly equal to the radius of the circle. When the number of sectors is increased infinitely, the circle can be arranged to form a rectangle of height, length pi r and breadth r. This is what I told you. Okay. So this rectangle and the one side is r and the other side is pi r. Okay. So now they have written the area of the rectangle formula. We know that the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So we found out the length of that rectangle is pi r and the breadth of that rectangle is r. So pi r into r. Pi r into r is pi r square. That is the area of the circle. Okay. So the area of the circle A is equal to pi r square unit. Now we derived the formula for finding out the area of the circle.
So area of the circle formula is pi r square units. Okay, here the value of pi is either equal to 22 by 7 or else we can substitute 3.14 as the value of pi. Okay, so if the radius is given means we have to directly substitute the value of r in our formula. Otherwise, if diameter is given means we have to convert the diameter to radius. Already we know that radius is equal to diameter by 2. Already we learned this formula. So radius is nothing but diameter by 2. If diameter is given means we have to convert the diameter to radius and then we have to find out the area of the circle. Is it clear? Shall we move on to the problems? Example 2.9. Find the area of the circle of radius 21 centimeter. Use pi equal to 3.14. Here in this problem they have mentioned we have to use the value of pi as 3.14. So now I have done the problem here. So what is given? Radius is given as 21 centimeter and pi value they told us to use 3.14. Now solution is area of the circle which is equal to, we know the formula, that is pi r square units. Now we have to substitute the values. So pi value is 3.14 into r is 21 into 21. R squared means r into r. Okay. So r square means r into r. That's why we have written r value twice. Okay. So 21 into 21. Now we have to multiply these three numbers. So I have done the multiplication calculation here. Okay, 21 into 21 I have multiplied and the answer is 441. Again here with the 441 I have multiplied 314. Whenever we are multiplying a decimal number with a whole number, we should remove the point and we have to multiply it first and then finally we have to place the point. So I found out the answer to be 138474, right? So now how many digits before we have point? 2 digits before we have decimal point. So before 2 digits we have to keep the point. So our answer is 1384.74 and the unit is square centimeter. Square units. So here the unit is centimeter. So I have written the answer as square centimeter. So now example 2.11 in page number 31. The area of the circular region is 2464 centimeter square. Find its radius and diameter. Use pi equal to 22 by 7. Here area is given and we have to find out the radius as well as diameter. Okay. So now we know the formula for finding out area of the circle. Okay. What is given? Area is given and they gave us pi value is 22 by 7. Now we have to find out the value for r first. Okay. Now I have substituted everything. So area is 2464. Pi value is 22 by 7 into r square. Okay, now we want only the value for r. So I kept r squared as it is and I am taking this 22 by 7 to the other side. Okay, whenever we are taking one fraction to the other side means it will go as a reciprocal. Reciprocal and inverted form. Okay, 22 by 7 means 7 by 22. R square equal to 2464 into 7 by 22. Right? So next here we have an even number and here also we have an even number. So I am cancelling using 2 table first. So 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. Here 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So I have written 1 2 3 2. Right. Now I have 1 2 3 2 here and I have 11 here. 11 is a prime number. So we can use only 11 table for cancelling. Right. So I am trying to cancel these two numbers first. So first 1 11s are 11. Here see 12 we have. So 1 11s are 11, balance 1, that 1 will go here as 13. Again I can write 1 11s are 11. So balance is 2. So here it will become 22. 22 means 2 11s are 22. So we can cancel these two numbers. So I cancelled using 11 table here 1 and here 112. So now the remaining numbers are 112 into 7. So after multiplying I got 784. But now we got the value only for r square. Right, r square is nothing but r into r. Here we can write r into r. So r into r is nothing but 784. Now I am going to use long division method. So I have written 784 first. Since this is an even number, I am using 2 table. Okay, we can use the smaller numbers for long division usually. So, okay, so 2 table I have used here. 3 times 6, again 1 balance 9 times and 4 means 2 times. So again I used 2 table and I got 196. Again I used 2 table. Since this is an even number, I used 2 table. 98. Finally here 98 is also an even number. So I used for 2 table and I found out the answer to be 49. So 49 will come only in 7 table, right? So I used 7 for dividing 49. So 7 7s are 49. So I have written 7 here. Again using 7 table. 7 is a prime number. So 7 table I got the value as 1. Okay, up to this we have to stop. And I have written the multiples here. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. We have to write all the numbers. So r into r is these numbers, right? So r is, I am taking one common from 2 same numbers. So here instead of 2 2s I have written 1 2, and here also instead of 2 2s I have written 1 2. Instead of 2 7 I have written 7. So 2 into 2 into 2. Instead of 2 r's I have written 1 r. That's why I have written one common for 2 same numbers. So here we have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So 28 centimeter is your r value. But in your problem they asked us to find out the radius as well as diameter. So diameter is nothing but 2 times radius, right? So 2 into 28 is 56 centimeter. So your answer is radius is 28 centimeter and diameter is 56 centimeter. In this video we learned how to derive the formula for finding out area of the circle, and also we have done some of the problems related to area of the circle. In my next video I am going to explain you exercise 2.2. So don't miss that video. If you like my video, please click like button, and if you didn't subscribe my channel till now means please do subscribe my channels for more videos. Also share it with your friends. Thank you. All the best.